Foodbeast challenged me to do an egg recipe, and today I'm gonna make a basil mozzarella omelet egg roll. Let's go.
Crack some eggs and whisk them up. Add your seasonings. I went with oregano, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Now drop some oil on the pan, and once it's hot, pour in your omelet mix. You can add whatever you want here. I went with mozzarella and fresh basil. While the omelet cooks, spread some pesto on a tortilla and then set it on top. Press it down lightly and then leave it. Let it do its thing. Now we gotta flip it over so the tortilla gets crispy. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Oh God, there we go. That was good. Not bad, not bad. Now that you've got the tortilla crispy, you're ready to roll. I'm adding more cheese because, well, I'm a mouse at heart. Whoops, tortilla got cooked a little too long, but it's okay, there's a lot of flavor in there. There you have it, Pesto Omelette Egg Roll.
Look at that. It's amazing. Shout out to Nadia Hussein for this. That's fire.
Today I am making Tamago Sliders because this is the best way to eat eggs. So now in a bowl, you're gonna mix 2 tablespoons of water, 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of rice vinegar. Then you're gonna mix that all up until the sugar is completely dissolved. And then you're gonna add 4 eggs. Super important that you mix super well here. And then now you're gonna get the silicone mold ready, and you're gonna pour the egg mixture in, set that oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and leave them in there for 25 minutes. Now you're gonna cut up a few cucumber slices. When that tamago is ready and cool, you're gonna just trim the sides a little bit and cut them in half. They come out oddly shaped, but that's okay, we can still make them cute. And now you're gonna grab some sushi rice, wet your fingers so it doesn't stick. You're gonna shape that up, add your choice of fish, add a cucumber slice, and you're gonna secure it with a toothpick. And then we're gonna add some ikura right on top, just like that. And there you go. Super cute Tamago sliders. Dip it in soy sauce and it is bomb.
Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite Mexican dishes, Nopales Con Huevo. If you don't know what that is, it's basically just eggs mixed with this cactus called a nopal. I have nopales growing in my backyard, so my parents usually prepare them fresh, but you can also find them in some markets. Also, yes, the way that my mom is cutting up these nopales also gives me anxiety. Basically, you want to boil them, and just a fair warning, these do get very foamy and slimy while cooking. But once they're nice and tender, you can mix it with the common ingredients to turn it into a Mexican salad. So you're gonna add onions, tomatoes, cilantro. If you like cilantro, I don't really like it, but I'm adding it because if I don't, people will get really mad. Jalapenos and sea salt. You're gonna mix that all up, and now we can fry some eggs. I like to use egg whites, but you can do it however you like. This right here is my mom's secret weapon for when she makes eggs. Add some oil, fry up the nopales, and then add your eggs. I'm serving mine up with some beans, of course, and a fried egg on top, and then you just enjoy them. If you don't eat this as a taco, you're committing a crime, so keep that in mind. Enjoy!
Foodbeast challenged me to make a recipe using eggs. I decided to go for one of my favorite dishes, Oyakodon. This is a Japanese comfort food classic made with chicken, eggs, and onion, traditionally served over rice. Start by prepping your meat and your veggies, thinly slice onion, and cut your chicken into some nice thick strips. Now in the pan, traditionally it's soy sauce, mirin, sake, and sugar. I didn't have mirin or sake, so I substituted those for Chinese rice wine and black vinegar. Once it starts to steam, you're gonna add in your chicken and your onion and let it steam for 10 minutes. Get your beaten egg and you're going to add that in and let that steam for 10 minutes. The result will be nice and fluffy. Go ahead and serve it up with some leftover rice and then garnish with green onion, and I added a little chili oil for that extra spice. Oh, I also wanted to try it with noodles, so I guess I also made an Oyako ramen don, I think is what you would call it. I cooked up some dry noodles, just piled the Oyako don on top with some green onions and some chili oil, and it actually turned out pretty well. I might like it even more than Oyakodon over rice. Oyakodon.
We got some Jello, red Jello, eggs, some jumbo bad boys. These aren't from the farm or anything. And then Mr. Boston's vodka. If you don't know about Mr. Boston's, you don't know about Jack. Hard-boiled eggs is 2020. If you don't know how to hard-boil an egg, get out there and hard-buy an egg, son, alright? Get yourself some Jello into a fresh bowl. 1 cup of microwaved H2O. Cup of the finest vodka Massachusetts has to offer. Grab one of these, whatever this thing's called there, the old turkey blaster, and blast away at your egg whites, alright? Set your eggs on chill for about an hour or two. And that's it right there, my friends. Quick selection, excellent selection, and enjoy.
Hey everybody, I'm X Games BMX champion Jamie Bestwick, and today I'm going to show you how to make bacon and egg rice bars. You're going to need 1.5 cups of sushi rice, 4 eggs, pack of bacon. You're going to need some tamari, pink salt, brown coconut sugar. First things first, add your sushi rice. 1.5 cups of sushi rice to 1.5 cups of water. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 15 minutes. While the sushi rice is cooking, let's get cracking on our bacon. And don't forget to employ security to make sure nobody steals any. Crack your 4 eggs, add a spot of milk, and get whisking. Scrambled eggs, our rice, and our bacon. And don't forget, any extra bacon, take care of your head of security. Now we're gonna mix everything together. Get it all in there. I like it not so sweet, but a lot more savory. It's good for bike rides. Gets me home on the ride. A little bit of salt. Time to test it. Pretty good. I think I need a little bit more tamari, but the preference is yours. If you like it a little sweeter, like it a little saltier. Now we're going to transfer it into your glass dish. Get everything in there. And that's when we really need to start working it with the sushi paddle and making it into the rice bars. We make it a nice even thickness, and now it's ready to go into the fridge and to be set so we can cut it up into bars. All right, cut up the bars. They're a nice size whenever you want to go out riding BMX, road bikes, gravel or mountain bikes. Pack it in a Ziploc bag and they're good to go. I gotta go riding.